Hello, children. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my class once again. Okay, so to reproduce its kind is a characteristics of all living organisms. Okay, so to produce the ones those look like similar or same to themselves. Okay, so yeah, so we are just going to learn something about reproduction. Okay, the production of new individuals from their parents. Okay, but here in this chapter, in this lesson, we are just going to concentrate on reproduction in plants. Okay, how do plants reproduce? Okay, all the living organisms. So in the last chapter where we learned about the living organisms, their characteristics, one of the main characteristics was living organisms reproduce. So all the living organisms, including humans, animals, birds, insects, even plants, they reproduce. So the chapter is like reproduction in plant. So we'll discuss in detail the modes of reproduction in plant. Okay, so the learning objectives are like we learn what a reproduction is, recall the parts of a plant, explain about asexual and sexual reproduction in plant, describe asexual modes of reproduction, that is vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. So difference between unisexual and bisexual flowers, understanding pollination and its type, explain formation of zygote, discuss seed dispersal in plants. So seed dispersal, we are learning this from grade 3. So the vocabularies are like asexual reproduction, budding, embryo, fertilization, fragmentation, gametes, hypha, ovule, pollen grains, pollen tube, pollination, seed dispersal, sexual reproduction, spores, sporangium, vegetative propagation, zygote. Okay, so what is the content we are going to discuss in this particular chapter is like introduction, reproduction, two types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, we'll learn about budding, fission, fragmentation, regeneration, and vegetative propagation. Also in sexual reproduction, we'll be discussing about pollination, fertilization, seed formation, and seed dispersal. Okay, so what is reproduction? What is the meaning of re? Okay, so what is the meaning of this re? Re means that happens again and again. Okay, reappear, reinstall, repair, rewind. Okay, so production means to produce something new. Okay, so production means to produce something new. Okay, re means again. So again, producing something new. Okay, so reproduction is a process by which living organisms produce new organisms, sometimes similar to them, sometimes they don't look alike. Okay, even you would have like heard people saying you just look like your father, your eyes look like your father, your nose looks like your mother. Okay, how this is happening? By reproduction. Okay, the cells, the genes which you get from your father, from like that is from the eyes. So obviously the eyes, the same way you are going to have. Okay, like you look like the eye of yours will look like your father, the nose of yours will look like your mother, so you are getting genes from them. Okay, that is how the process of reproduction takes place. Same way it happens with animals and also plants as well. Okay, so we humans mostly don't look identical, but here in the image you could see the animals. Okay, and the young ones, they look alike, exactly the same. Okay, so the kitten will look like the cat. Okay, but there will be some differences in the fur. Okay, the patterns, there might be some differences. Okay, the puppy will look like the dog. Okay, but it does not, they will just look identical to their parents, but it does not happen with the human beings. Okay, so our parents or siblings, even if we have siblings, we don't look alike. Okay, so but we have some similarities like hair color, eye color, length of your fingers, length of your nails. Okay, your eyebrows, your eyelashes. Okay, there will be some similarities, your eye lens color. Okay, so why is reproduction necessary? Okay, do you think are we going to survive for infinite period of time? No,